Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix call ended problem on Android. So let's start the video. To fix the call ended issue, first you need to open your phone settings application. After that, you need to tap on network and internet. Now go to SIM card and mobile network. Then select your SIM in which you are facing the call ended issue. On the SIM settings page, turn off enable SIM card option for a while, then turn it back on. After that, scroll down and tap on preferred network type, and here make sure that 4G LTE is selected in your phone. If not, select it. Now scroll down and click on access point names. Here, click on three dots on the top right and then click on reset to default to reset all the APN settings of your SIM card. So friends, by doing this, the call ended problem in your phone will be resolved. Now go to your phone app and call whoever you want.